President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni wari kushirira Karuru ab'omurundu gwa kabiri omu disitulikiti ya Kasese yasha abatura okwejumbira omu kuhinga okuriisa nibyo burambuzi banu benda kunja kwebingaho obworo.
Okulima n'okuriisa
erelema nerilisya nokubyanga tuletura obugaga.
That's one form of wealth.
Ekyo ni kiwuma okwakike tuletera obugaga.
Tourism, especially services, especially tourism.
Ebyo buherezya kukera mono ebyo burambule.
Wildlife and mountain.
Ebyo bisoro byetu by'omwapaka
and mountaineering.
No mwabetwera hetuka bakasambe betwa.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yonje yabisya obutebwa n'okwejumba omyoga etali emonemu.
You need to have omwoga.
Obule mundu utolere watunga omwoga wawu.
Omwoga is an old Nyankore word which I brought out and I gave it to Uganda and I said it means specialization of life.
Ati ni kinywe ky'olunyangole kyakera ekyakireta makiretera abanya Uganda ekikamanyisa ya kituwutolere wabane kyawukakola omu Uganda muno mu bumizi bwawo.
Okuhesha
erehesa
okubaija
erebatsa
okunogora ceramics ibumba okunogora
eribumba.
These were all emyoga.
Eyo ni myoga.
Nagirango ebyo biri kubateganisa nk'abantu ba Kasese n'okwija kubikoraho.
The road maintenance equipment, Kasese needs more road equipment and more money for the Maram road.
Ati Kasese yikayisunza ebyuma ebekale meshangoda mesha sente risikanya esikashale meshangoda Kasese.
Because it is a big district.
Kundi district yetu ni nene.
Pensions for the Rwenzururu people, I have noted it.
Akasimo akabanya Rwenzururu betu ako avereka hambandeke akasimo kabo.
Settling Banyabindi, I have noted it.
Bone Kichoncho Mutunji oli omwezi wa National Coordinator wa Parish Development Model nawe yakamukorogu.
Twabebembezi bapinde mamuruka abokuya abante sente n'abasha bamucerekeraho abokuya abante sente murekeraho abokuba omukono gw'amateka niguja kubakwata.
Excellency, in the area of education, your government has performed very well. By 1986, Okonzo County East had 16 primary schools. As of today, we have 64 primary schools. Let us clap for the president.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yahendera arukushaba abatura ngo bamuhereze obushagici abero 15 by'ukwezi uku ayongera kuhereza je abanya-Uganda. Amakoraga gasha ko Gilbert Mahangos abwa TV West.